Hey everybody, this is Robert from Kapwing, and I'm going to show you really quickly here how you can make a supercut of several videos you find on social media into one long video that features all of these clips. Now, this is something that a lot of people have been doing amidst the recent protests, and it's a great way to collect a lot of footage in one long video. So I'm going to show you how to do this using 6 different clips that involve the police attacking the press. So first, we're going to go to kapwing.com/studio and click Get Started. And here you can either directly paste a link to that tweet in, or you can drag a video you have from your desktop or from your phone. So I'll do a combination of the two here. I'm going to first drag in a video that I have on my desktop here from a journalist that I downloaded from Twitter. And then for every clip I add, I'm going to add a new scene. So there's going to be 6 clips here. So on the left side, I'll click Add Scene 5 times to add 5 more clips for my supercut. Now, I can also just go to Twitter, grab a link straight to a tweet, and click Upload here, and then paste that right in. And then that'll bring that video from Twitter right into my project here. So I'm going to do this now for all of my clips. So now that all my clips are uploaded, you can see here on the left side that each scene has a different video in it. So really, this is all you have to do. The supercut is ready, and I could just click publish. And once this is published, it's going to put all of those clips together, and you're done. You're ready to go. You can post it on Twitter. Something I like to do that gives credit to the original creators and people in the videos when I make these is I like to just add a quick caption to each one that features either the name of the reporter or the name of the account I got it from. So I've got those in a separate list here. I'm just going to add those down to each video here. It doesn't have to be anything too well designed, just making sure these people get credit who are risking their lives out there doing this stuff. So with all of my clips and captions in place, I'll just go ahead and click publish. And now Kapwing will put together all of those clips into one supercut that we can share anywhere we want and kind of spread the news about what's going on here so people can see it. This has been how to quickly make a supercut using footage from Twitter, but this also applies to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, wherever you're finding this footage from.